In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize workspace teams in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a small group or a large organization, having a streamlined system is key to keeping your team aligned and productive. ClickUp is an all-in-one project management tool that allows you to customize your workspace to fit your team's unique structure, making collaboration seamless and efficient. So let's dive in and explore step-by-step how you can set up your workspace in ClickUp to maximize your team's potential. To begin, you're going to create a workspace. Think of this as your organization's home base, a centralized hub where everything comes together. This will be the foundation for all your projects, tasks, and collaboration. Next, within your workspace, you'll want to set up spaces. Spaces can represent departments, clients, or specific projects, depending on how your team is structured. For example, you could have one space for marketing, another for sales, and perhaps a third for product development. This layout makes it easier to keep things organized and gives each team or focus area its own dedicated environment. Once your spaces are in place, it's time to configure their settings and permissions. This is where you can tailor access and functionality for each space. For instance, you might want to restrict certain spaces to specific team members or adjust notifications to suit the needs of that space. Customizing these settings ensures the right people have access to the right information. Within each space, you can create folders to group related lists. Folders are a great way to organize campaigns, analytics, or other related components. For example, in a marketing space, you might have folders for social media campaigns, email marketing, and market research. Now, inside those folders, you'll add lists. Lists help you break down your work into more specific goals or categories. For instance, your social media campaigns folder could include lists for Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn strategies. From there, you'll create tasks within those lists. Tasks are the actionable items your team will work on. Think of these as the building blocks of your workflow. They're where the real work happens. For more complex tasks, you can add subtasks or checklists. Subtasks allow you to break down larger actions into smaller, more manageable steps, while checklists are perfect for tracking progress on a series of related items. As you build out your workspace, you should organize your spaces in a way that mirrors your team's structure. Whether by department, project, or client, this alignment will make navigation intuitive and ensure everyone knows where to find what they need. Don't forget to assign permissions to control access levels for team members. This way you can safeguard sensitive information while empowering your team to collaborate effectively. To make information retrieval easier, you can create custom views tailored to different roles, like executives, managers, or team leads. These views can filter relevant tasks, deadlines, or updates, so everyone sees what's most important to them. If you're looking to save time, take advantage of templates. ClickUp offers pre-built templates for spaces, folders, and lists. You can use them as is or customize them to suit your needs, helping you get up and running quickly. Collaboration is a breeze in ClickUp thanks to features like mentions. Use mentions in tasks, comments, and docs to tag teammates, loop them into conversations, or request updates. For brainstorming and dynamic discussions, utilize tools like chat, comments, or whiteboards. These features allow you to share ideas, provide feedback, and problem solve in real time. To ensure accountability, assign tasks and comments to specific team members. This creates clarity around responsibilities and keeps progress on track. You can also set reminders and use clips for quick action items or to share instant feedback. These tools help you stay on top of deadlines and maintain momentum. For added security, enable two-factor authentication or single sign-on. Protecting your workspace ensures that your team's data stays secure and accessible only to authorized users. It's a good idea to periodically review your account and workspace settings. This helps ensure everything is running smoothly and that your workspace remains optimized for your team's needs. If you ever need additional support, refer to ClickUp's guide articles. They offer best practices, tips, and templates to help you get the most out of the platform. And finally, if you're setting up a more advanced workspace, consider using ClickUp's professional services or exploring the solutions library for tailored assistance and expert advice. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.